Hello everyone, welcome for this video, and today's video for the conversational video and also for the self improvement for the life related or some motivation also I have tried to share with all of you. Let something tell about what is the goal, so that even continue for the video. I wanted to know something about myself, that how can I help you for conversation in English. Would you like to try to conversate with myself in the video call? If you are if you are interested, then and we can try to conversate with ourselves in the platform, and after that we will do many more things that we can do. Now let's suppose to try to communicate with in English, that I supposed to create a channel for just to overcome my fear of camera, that how to overcome myself, and how I was lots of fear in the camera, and how I can reduce it. But till now, after receiving the after the uh, declining the fear, I will get something that is need to be very much happier thing myself, that because if I consuming the data, I have lots of having headache in my mind, that what is happening, what will be happen, and what could be happen. I was unemployed, I couldn't earn money. But after involving with myself and doing lots of creative work, I find myself that if you are not doing anything, then your mind work as a unconscious thing, that you never wanted to do it. So that this was having a very much difficult for a person to becoming to be unemployed. So that the person, if he was not employed, then he has to do something, that try to find the work that he has to be interested. So that I have not interested in the English so much, but I has tried or take an initial step toward myself, that how I could and how I can will be able to do it. Because being a content consumer not a good habit for themselves, because if anyone says that I was becoming to be a great a successful person when I become, so that then I will start, this will becoming to be a very much myth for ourselves. So that we have to take a decision, that try to communicate. If you have tuta futa English, if you can't say anything, then also you can speak. The reason is that if you couldn't, first of all, the first step is to try. If you try yourself, then you will becoming to be, and for being continue yourself, as you can, as I have said, that being into the first day to the next day, to the next day, and until to the 100th day, as that boils the water, as I have seen, I have told you in the another video of my self improvement, from the Atomic Habit, that says that improving every day is very much conscious. Not my goal is not to record the video or upload the video on YouTube. My first goal of prioritize is to conversate with the English communication, and how to deal myself, or how to express myself and express my word in front of the audience. The first of all thing is not to consider that I have lots of problem in that. Very much. I have rub in my mind, blank in mind. But also the Sandeep Maheshwari said that he was also get blanked in the auditorium. He has not tell anything about himself, because he has a fear and he is blank. The first of all thing is that you have to overcome yourself by practicing regular. If anything is to be not happen, nothing worry about it. Just single thing is about that what I wanted to like. Then if the first in that your moral is to do upload the good content, or your moral is to do the best of yourself. So that this is matters. and find the goal. My goal, some parts of the videos, my videos was not too very good. I have to just stick toward that कि मुझे सिर्फ वीडियो अपलोड करना है और कुछ नहीं, अपने आप में कोई फोकस नहीं करना, सिर्फ थोड़ा मोड़ा मैं बोल दूंगा हो जाएगा. But the current time I have researched in myself that the first of all I record the video, but which purpose? Find the purpose. I couldn't find the purpose how I can make the video and why I make the video and what I have to do for myself. If I will get the answer that finding the goal, that not to earn money, just to improve myself from the my uh, society, because my society has lots of people has not learning, but also for my age group persons has not speaking very well in English conversation. He always, they always try to learn the many things just for passing the examination. But I wanted to try myself that becoming a good personal conversational in English, because if I fear, reduce my fear, because and I have also in my mind that my some of my friends says that you wanted to go for a job, but you have not a single piece of skill, and you don't have a skill, so that you, how you becoming to be enrolled into the job. So that then after I have stuck in my mindset that I couldn't like to becoming to be a this type of person. So that I have engaged myself in very much doing lots of reading the books or improving my communication skills, and lots of many of the work. And as a beginner you have lots of things that you have to be remember, but after the day time improve and improve by improving 1%, a single time was coming to be ourselves, that this becoming to be add up our whole journey and becoming to be a rocket. Yes. So that the my aim was to just only the single reason was to just communicate myself and improving day by day what I am and what I becoming to be, because my goal was to fix that I becoming to be a person who was fluent in English and becoming to be a skillful person. I die myself as a skillful person, not to becoming to be a person who have nothing to be learned and nothing to be becoming to be a growth related mindset. This was related to be very much curious about ourselves. So that this was the initial step toward, and I think the video was not to about 10 videos, but still it's completing. And first of all this thing was happening very much, sorry to say, but don't worry, I have the problem, but I have the solution for it by doing consistent toward myself. First of all, the Atomic Habit book says that if you have to achieve a good habit, you have take a good habit for 1 or 2 days, and after some time you start take decision that I could not able, I could not be tried for my best, I was not the best, and after lots of time I will say that let's quit and doing another thing that is so dangerous for ourselves. The thing is that we have to focusing upon ourselves and doing regular exercises. After that compounding our effect, sorry, compounding our growth, or compounding our all the skills. After the time, after the time, or after many hours, it will be happen, or it will be happening that you becoming to be a grateful person. So that wait for that time and trying every day and every single minute or every hour, because if you can't try, or if you lose your hope that we are belonging to be a poor family or belonging to a very poor background, then I could not able to becoming to be a earning member or earning in lakhs. So that this would be happen easily if a person, any of the person who we can see who earn money, lots of money from the area of the space, so that we have that ability to find the how they as the today's world or today's area, this will be said that earning money could be very much easy. First of all, the thing is to learn the skill. If you learn the skill, the earning money will be possible. So that we have to focusing upon ourselves and doing lots of regular concise working toward myself, so that if I try to take a decision, then I will improve myself regularly. So that the reason, and after doing many more things, I supposed to blank myself, and doesn't want to blank myself, because sometime I feel that my society was doing such a thing that I couldn't do, and that was doing I repeat all the things. So that I think about myself that my society doing a thing that was not necessary, wasting the time, not doing any serious content or anything, so that I doesn't wanted to becoming to that life of people. I like to take a freedom for myself and taking a speech toward any self, and try many more things and exploring many more things. That is the matter, that how I can and how I would try to say that the thing that I have explained every day and every time I have to take a decision for myself and self improvement. That because if I read the book lots of time and lots of time, that not the reason is not to becoming to be a good to complete the book. The reason is to becoming to be a good reader. The book always, or the author all doesn't want to, sorry, doesn't teach you, they always inspire you. You have to do yourself to be the better one. Ha, the initial step I have taken, that I have known. The another thing that I wanted to tell you, that from the past of the time, that I have the fear that what people tell me about myself, that who they are, the person who were speaking lonely in front of the camera and in the outside the area, and speaking anything that he wanted and that he couldn't wanted, just blah 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 blah. The real thing is about myself, that I just wanted to improve myself, not to themselves to happening to be happy themselves. So that the first priority to take care about myself and taking a decision toward myself, that how I best and how I becoming to my own career. This is to be happened. And for the today's video, I wanted to share something, that from today to and coming to from the more other days, I take a decision that I have to talk myself at least not more than 1 hour. But it could not be happen to be possible, as everyone knows that this would be having very much difficult for ourselves. So that it would be having very much easier, so that I can start communicating that I have in my mind. First of all, by reading the book, I have get something information that touches my heart, that from the past of the time I have just depressed myself, that how I become who I am, or I tried my best, that if I do anything, then I becoming to be a very much healthier person, or very much happiest person. So that after the reading the book, I have get good information, that you are just supposing to be stop your best of the things that you need to becoming to be a healthier person. If you want to set up a business, or if you want to becoming to be achieving the good marks, then you becoming to be a happier, because the happiest moment of the goal was very much quit time. After the time, this was gone up. So that our goal is not to becoming to be the very much bigger, larger the approach, but just wanted to exploring the world. And let's suppose talk I have some problem talking with myself that I think that I have to communicate with a person who was in with me, so that recording the videos and becoming to the consistent person very much necessary, so that this would be very much now coming to the point that from the past of the days I was just procrastinating myself watching the television lots of time, involving my time as a viewer as a lots of viewing the videos of many more people, laughing at the videos and not doing anything and consuming the data as much as I can. So that the reason is not to just like becoming that, because in Jharkhand I was belonging to be the state Jharkhand, and I supposed to myself that I becoming to be a great person. If I not earning money, I know that I have no longer money and no money that I have. So that this will be happening that if I have no money, then after a time I have that capability to, because any person who wanted to talk with yourself when you have a skill or any informative thing that in presence of you, so that if I have better in my communication or better in any of the thing, then the person who wanted to talk with me, the value on the all, and also the thing that by adding the value for being a creator of a being a viewer, I have thought it that or I have getting some information from the social media that if you want to grab attention, you have to take a you have to take a value for them. If you don't provide the value, then they ignore you as a bucket and throwing yourself to be a person to be having none. So that I have after the recording lots of video, not more than, but I feel myself to be becoming to be a very much happier person. And from past of the days I was just dreaming and finding myself to be a very lazy, procrastinating and lots of things, but after the time I becoming to be a great person. And fear, because today's video I recording into my front camera. By recording the front camera, I seen that I was moving and I speak toward myself, and I facing myself, because the first of the fear is to facing yourself to how you are and how you becoming, to how to uh, teach or how to communicate with any of them. So that the first fear is to I have fearing my first of the fear, so that after another thing that I have to overcome my fear from another person. So that the reason टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश जैसा भी आता है बोलना स्टार्ट करो भाया. And supposed to be very much thankful, and I think the video was too short. I wait toward 2 minutes later, so that it will be more than 20 minutes. And sorry to say, but I think the video should be closed. After closing the video, I think so that I have to tour my studio. So that now coming to the video, this is my background that you can see, and here you can see that I was just at the my bagan, or so called as the garden. This was the background that was I have, and this was the cover that anyone could not see me. And after that, this was my studio. As you can see, this was the stand that I have taken to take my phone to record the video, and this was the place where I can put my book into there, and where I can here I can record the video in the front of chart paper, or sorry, the poster. And here the place where I can sit into this place and record the video, and how it seemed to like to be record the video. This is the place. Here I take the record the video. Here my phone was taken and I record the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. and this is supposed to like to be my also the studio tour. And previously you looked at that what is seen to be at there. Can anyone guess? Then guessing the video, then I supposed to close the video, or and this is for the today's video, and meet hope we will meet after some time. That's bye bye, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. And after the conversation, we will do the best of communication skills with ourselves and becoming to be a good conversational person, and becoming to be a very much confidential. So that now try to end up the video, and we will meet in the next video. And if anyone wants to, if anyone who visit my video, please comment how I looking to my accent and what about my accent, and lots of love from myself, and bye bye.